English Listening Podcasts. Today, we talk about one thing that can change your life. Not motivation, not a new app, not a big plan, just one habit, 1 hour of deep work. Many people are busy all day. They answer messages, they open emails, they join calls, they scroll a little, they do small tasks. At the end of the day, they feel tired, but they also feel empty, because nothing important moved forward. They did work, but they did not create progress. This is the trap. Busy is not the same as productive. So today, we will build a simple system, 1 hour, every day, for your most important work. Let me tell you a short story. A person wants to change their life. They want to build a business, or learn a skill, or study for an exam, or create content, or improve their career. They say, "I need more time." But the truth is not more time. The truth is more focus. Because if you have 2 hours with distractions, you will do less than 1 hour of deep work. Deep work is when you do one thing with full attention. No jumping, no switching, no noise. And that is rare. That is why it is powerful. Now, I want to give you 2 core ideas. Idea 1, shallow work steals your life. Shallow work is not evil. Emails are needed. Messages are needed. Small tasks are needed. But shallow work expands. It fills the whole day if you let it. It is like water. If you give it a big space, it takes it. And shallow work gives you a fake feeling. It feels like progress because you are moving, but you are not building. So the rule is simple. Do deep work first, shallow work later. If you do shallow work first, your brain becomes scattered, your attention breaks, and deep work becomes hard. Idea 2. Deep work needs a ritual. Most people fail because they try to focus. They sit down and say, "Okay, now I will focus." But the phone is there, notifications are there, tabs are open, the room is messy, the mind is noisy. So you need a ritual. A ritual is a repeatable pattern. It tells your brain, "Now we work." It reduces decision fatigue. It makes focus easier. Now let's build your 1 hour deep work ritual. The deep work ritual, simple version. Step 1. Same time. Choose a time you can repeat. Morning is best for many people, but any time works if it is consistent. The goal is not the perfect time. The goal is the same time. Step 2. Same place. A desk, a corner, a cafe table, a small workspace. Your brain connects place with behavior. Same place becomes a trigger. Step 3. One target, only one. Before you start, write one sentence. During this hour, I will do blank. One task, not 5. Examples. Write one script, build one feature, study one chapter, practice one skill, design one page. Step 4. Remove distractions. Hard rule. Phone away. Not face down, not silent. Away. If you can, put it in another room. Also, close extra tabs. Turn off notifications. Full screen. Make the environment clean. Step 5. Timer on. Set a timer for 60 minutes. Not to create pressure, to protect you. The timer says, "For 1 hour, I do this." Now, many people will say, "But I can't focus for 1 hour." Okay, then we start smaller. Start with 25 minutes, then 35, then 45, then 60. But the mission stays the same: deep work daily. Now I want to talk about a big mental problem. I am not in the mood. Mood is not a plan. If you wait for the perfect mood, you will wait forever. Deep work is not about feeling ready. Deep work is about showing up. You sit down even with low energy. You start even with resistance. And something interesting happens. After 5 minutes, the brain adapts. The mind enters the work. So we do not ask, "Do I feel like it?" We ask, "Can I start?" Now I will give you a story from real-life thinking. A person starts deep work. First 10 minutes, they feel pain. They want to check messages. They think, "What if I miss something?" But nothing is missed. The world is okay. After 20 minutes, they become calmer. They are inside the task. After 40 minutes, they enter flow. They forget time. They produce. After 60 minutes, they stop, and they feel proud. Not because the work is perfect, because they kept a promise. That promise builds identity. Identity is powerful. You start to think, "I am a person who works deeply." Now let's make it practical. Mini plan for today. Step 1. Choose one deep work goal. Only one. Write it now. Example: today I will write 300 words. Or, today I will finish one small part of my project. Step 2. Schedule it. Put it on your calendar or write it in your notes. If you do not schedule it, it disappears. Step 3. Make a shutdown list. Before the deep work hour, write 3 shallow tasks you will do later. Example: reply to emails, check messages, small admin tasks. This calms your brain because it knows later. Step 5. Do the hour. Timer, phone away, one task. Step 5. End with one next step. At the end, write, "Next time I will start with blank." This makes tomorrow easier. Now I want to talk about something else. Deep work is self-respect. When you do deep work, you say, "My life matters. My goals matter. My future matters." You stop living inside other people's demands. You stop being pulled by noise. You choose depth, and depth creates results. Now, don't make this complicated. You don't need 10 rules. You need 1 hour. One focused hour. If you do 1 hour daily, that's 7 hours per week. 7 hours of real progress. After 1 month, you will see change. After 3 months, people will feel it. After 1 year, your life will look different, because deep work compounds. Now let's do a short shadowing part together. Repeat slowly. I protect my focus. I work deeply, not loudly. 1 hour can change everything. I remove distractions. I finish what matters. I build real progress. I choose depth. I do the hard thing first. I keep my promise. I produce. Now here is your challenge. For the next 7 days, do 1 deep work session each day. It can be 25 minutes, but do it daily and track it. 1 checkmark per day. That's your proof. And now, a calm CTA. If you want more episodes like this, subscribe and stay with me. We build quietly. We work deeply. 1 hour a day. See you tomorrow.